Listen, kids.
Do nursing.
Don't listen to your high schools. You don't have to go to an art school to be an artist. Period. 75%, that's not the right percentile, I don't know, but a lot of the jobs on the market, especially career jobs, your tasks are learned on the job.
Yep.
Period. So if whatever you want to get into, it depends on what it is. But if it's something like accounting or whatever, yeah, go to school, go to the accounting firms, the big four in California, whatever. Those are the ones. You want to be a doctor? Obviously, you can't be a doctor off the street, right? But if you want to be a filmmaker, I want to be a painter, I want to get into social media, you really could do that by yourself. And for free, or you can take courses online. There are better options. There's just that
cheaper.
Yeah, there's just this stigma that you need to go to college.
Social Media Marketing 101 Vision Product course.
Check it out. On Udemy.